When windows start showing signs of wear, homeowners often face an important decision. Should you repair the existing windows or replace them entirely? Both options can make sense in certain situations, but the right choice depends on several factors. For homeowners in New Orleans, understanding the differences between window repair and window replacement can help you make a confident, cost-effective decision that supports long-term comfort and performance. When window repair may be enough, window repair is often the first option homeowners consider, especially when problems seem minor. Small issues such as loose hardware, cracked caulking, or minor air leaks can sometimes be addressed without replacing the entire window. In New Orleans homes, repairs may be a reasonable solution if the window frame is still in good condition and the issue is isolated. Fixing a latch, replacing weather stripping, or resealing around the frame can restore basic functionality and comfort in the short term. Repairs can also be helpful for newer windows that haven't experienced widespread wear. When the structure of the window remains sound, targeted repairs may extend its lifespan and delay the need for replacement. Signs repair may no longer be enough. While repairs can solve surface-level issues, they aren't always a lasting solution. If windows have recurring problems or multiple signs of wear, repairs may only provide temporary relief. Homeowners in New Orleans should consider replacement when windows show signs such as persistent drafts, condensation between glass panes, warping, or difficulty opening and closing. These issues often indicate deeper performance problems that repairs can't fully resolve. If you find yourself repeatedly repairing the same window, replacement may be the more practical and cost-effective option in the long run. The long-term benefits of window replacement addresses more than individual issues. It upgrades the entire window system. New windows are designed to provide improved sealing, insulation, and performance from the start. For New Orleans homes, replacement windows often deliver noticeable improvements in comfort. Rooms feel more balanced, drafts are reduced, and temperature control becomes easier throughout the home. Replacement also allows homeowners to update window styles, improve functionality, and enhance the home's overall appearance. This added value goes beyond what most repairs can achieve. Cost considerations. Repair versus replacement cost is a major factor when deciding between repair and replacement. Repairs typically cost less upfront, making them appealing for minor issues or short-term fixes. However, ongoing repairs can add up over time. For New Orleans homeowners dealing with older windows, repeated maintenance costs may eventually exceed the investment in replacement windows. Replacement provides a long-term solution that reduces the need for frequent fixes. While the initial cost may be higher, the long-term savings in maintenance and improved performance often justify the investment. Comfort and energy performance. One key difference between repair and replacement is the impact on comfort. Repairs can fix specific issues, but they may not address overall window performance. Replacement windows improve comfort across the entire window area. For New Orleans homes, this often means fewer drafts, better insulation, and more consistent indoor temperatures. If comfort is a top priority, replacement may offer greater benefits than repair. Noise reduction and indoor environment. Older windows that leak air often allow more outside noise to enter the home. Repairs may reduce noise slightly, but they rarely eliminate the issue completely. Replacement windows provide better sound control by creating a tighter barrier between indoors and outdoors. New Orleans homeowners often notice quieter, more peaceful interiors after replacing outdated windows. Making the right choice for your home. Choosing between window repair and window replacement depends on the condition of your windows, your comfort goals, and your long-term plans for the home. For New Orleans homeowners, repairs can make sense for small, isolated issues. However, when windows show signs of age, repeated problems, or declining performance, replacement often offers the best overall value. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each option, homeowners can make an informed decision that supports comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind for years to come.